Hello, my name is Michael Fortune. I'm a furniture designer and maker. This is my 52nd year doing exactly that. I'm teaching an apprenticeship class, and it's a class that people come and take here at the Marc Adams School. And the title, if you will, for my class is "You're here to try things that you've never done before." And those things might be steam bending, laminating, different types of marquetry work. This class is full, there's 12 students. Every student is essentially pursuing an idea, a project that they would like to work on over the 2-week period. Now, the format for the class is at the beginning of the 2 weeks, there's a number of presentations that I do that introduce some of those techniques that the students are often unfamiliar with. You can go to the marcadams.com website and you can see a list of classes that I'll teach this year. And next year I'll be here again 6 times, and there'll be 6 different topics is what it amounts to. And on that, the marcadams.com website, you'll see instructors from all over the world coming to teach their specialty here at the school. So the website again, marcadams.com. We'd love to have you here. Take a look at the incredible variety of classes, and I'm sure there'll be something there that you're interested in.